Good morning,
Good,
Roy.
good morning, Monty.
You gotta do
How,
most talking today because you hear my voice.
I got you. I got you. You can utilize the text banners. Those are a lot of fun. You can just start shit talking to me while I'm talking. It's pretty good. Um, yeah, we've had an interesting morning. We've drawn our zone. This is a 10-minute chart, right around that 5,800 area to 5,834. Got a pretty decent sized little drop here on this candle. We're not sure why, but as you see, it held VWAP. It's now kind of trending back up. We've got data in about 13 minutes. Consumer confidence. So I'll probably just sit back. I was in a long and I got spooked on the drop, so I just got out for basically flat. I think I'm about $3 per trade, but for me, that's like that's an amazing trade. So the the I think Monty's on a long currently, but we're just kind of tracking it, watching it. Nobody's joining us, so we won't go too much in analysis just yet. We'll wait till some people come in. But we've got puts rising, calls falling, puts rising, calls falling on SPY, on holdings. CVD is
94.
okay. It started up started up over 10,000. Now it's kind of cooled off a little bit. So Mag 7 we're going through. We got Apple up 0.6%, Nvidia slightly down 1.6% and dropping. Not sure what that is. Maybe that was the drop. Microsoft kind of indecision candle. Google basically flat, nothing crazy. This is your winner today so far. Amazon, it just keeps trekking up, as well as Meta. Meta had good news this morning. They're going to be charging $15 option for ad-free Instagram and Facebook.
Oh, okay.
So, a little revenue source there for Meta. Tesla coming down hard. Probably going to test this 50-day moving average here shortly. Tesla's an interesting one. We'll get more into that if more people join us, but it obviously had a major run up. If we go to the daily chart, it's going to retest that 50, could retest the 20-day moving average. But you see this 5-day moving average about to cross over the 20-day moving average. On top of fundamental news for Tesla with tariffs getting targeted at automobiles, that targets their competitors, not so much Tesla. So it could be positive news for the EV manufacturer. As we scroll down, keeping an eye on ES, it's now dropping a little bit below VWAP. It's approaching its 20-day move, or that's the 200.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's 200. Approaching 200 on the 10-minute at 58.14. TLT under 90. That's a pretty bullish stance for the market. So keep an eye on these bonds. You do have a little curl up coming, but that's under 90. Speaking of, VIX had a big green candle, opened up right around 17. So you want to see it stay below 18. That's kind of your magic sauce today. If you're bullish, if you're bearish, you want to see it get above there. If we go down, you're seeing Bitcoin a little spike up and push down. 87,000. Solana at 143, got up to 146. Gold chilling 30, 34. It's kind of been in that 3,000 to 3,050 range for a little bit now. QQQ is battling, staying green. It started out really green. Now it's flat on the day. IWM, same story, started green. It got sold off here in a bit. So all eyes on the data in about 10 minutes. Just kind of looking around. A little cool off to start. Not surprised given the move yesterday. And some of these names. So we just watch.
What we do.
Well, looks like it liked the 200 so far. Well, still got 9 minutes on the candle, so plenty of time. These calls are not picking up. They are dropping.
Ooh.
So do we see a test of the bottom of the zone? That would be one heck of a drop because we've broken a lot of levels.
Yep.
We'll keep an eye on that.
Well, we got what data in 8.5 minutes, so
Yeah.
That's what I'll wait for now.
Nice. Let me update my swings. So I'm not in TLT anymore. I am not in Micron anymore. Sold that one the other day. You guys getting live. I am basically in a few Mag 7 names now. Amazon Meta and Tesla. And APLD has re-entered the chat. Not Intel. And coin I just like up there. All right. So it looks like Amazon's pushing up higher, looking at 205. That's good for the general market. You're getting Tesla. I hadn't quite tested that yet. Looks like it's about to. See how it reacts. Meta did test its 20-day. Well, kind of. Down here it did. Push off. So we shall see. Keep an eye on market tide. See if any sort of momentum can come in the call. So you are getting a push higher in price, but not seeing that in the premiums.
You got dip in the put premiums, but
yeah,
call premiums really aren't doing anything. So.
Makes you wonder what happens when they do.
Exactly. See how it reacts to the old VWAP here.
I like that reaction up to 200 on the 10. I like this formation. If it wasn't for the silly data. Trying to take the damn. Anyway, keep getting pinged and it's annoying me.
Finna get 10,000 on CVD again, by the way.
Interesting.
And there it is.
Look at that candle. Whoa.
Is this the fake out though, or with the fake out it open? Where's the fake out?
Definitely a fake out somewhere. Look at that thing. It is eating in the volume.
Mm-hmm.
Boy, oh boy. It'd like if it was NVIDIA that caused that drop. Because that was a spicy drop. We didn't see any general market news.
Moody said the United States fiscal strength on course for continued multi-year decline.
Man, look at that candle.
Yeah, if it can, like I said before, before we start streaming, if it could get above these EMAs, it could run, I would say, around the 50, 58, 50 mark. That's what I told earlier, so we'll see.
58.50 is the kind of consensus, I think. And it's good that the orders are confirming that.
Yeah, it's not algo orders either. It's regular orders sitting up here.
You're looking back 7 across the board. Amazon now back over 205 minutes. Yes, push higher. Tesla needs to do it. I mean, Netflix is about to approach 1,000 again. 988. Apple getting its jig on 22260. Wow. Nvidia's the laggard, but again, gets a little bit of momentum.
Yeah.
Watch Nvidia, watch Tesla. If they can go green, my gracious, this market's going to rip its face off. But there is data, so that data can impact stuff. 3 minutes still data, so if you're in it, great. If you're not, hang tight.
Yeah.
Not financial advice, but just good general advice. Let's look around.
10-4 CBD. 10-4. 10-4.
Consumer confidence should be through the roof with the financing of burritos. I don't know if you missed all that. You probably missed all that because you were vacationing.
I did.
DoorDash is now offering you can do 4 financing payments on your food order.
What?
Yeah. So your $10 burrito, $10 DoorDash order, you can spread across 4 monthly equal 0% payments.
That is dumb.
So the memes have been fantastic of like Big Short characters. Give me the default swaps on the Chipotle.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, they were great. That'd be good. One minute till data. Any guesses? What's our estimates?
Nah. You know I don't do that. Just let's see what happens.
U.S. copper futures hit a record high. Dr. Copper. Isn't that a market indicator?
Yeah, let's see that.
So we have home sales and consumer confidence. Consumer confidence forecast is at 94. Previous was 98.3. So we'll see what this new number shows.
A little volatility here.
Definitely. They cleared any orders? I'm sure they have.
Not yet. No, not really.
Hmm.
They will about 10 seconds before.
I mean, we are smack dab in the middle of our zone, so
Clearance on now, but guess what didn't clear? 58.50.
Richmond Fed Comp Index -4, forecast 1, previous 6. Fed Comp. Richmond Fed Comp. What do we got here? What the hell is happening with this stupid thing? Just keep telling me the same thing. Here we go. Confidence 92.9. Forecast 94, so slightly low. New home sales 0.67 million. Forecast was 0.68 million, so miss on both. Red candle to the 200, showing support.
That's your 50 there. Well, the pink's 50, yellow's 200. Should be, unless you change color again on me.
I'm sure I did. What is this?
Average 12-month inflation expectations rose again from 5.8% to 6.2%.
Ooh, not good data.
Not good data at all.
You see the volume go to the put side on general market tide. Oh, Put premium rising. Call premium dropping.
Big time.
We are getting a pretty bearish candle here.
Yep.
Do you switch to the 5-minute? You're at your orb low. It was 58.15.50. That's not right. Is that right? Yeah, I guess that is right. So do you get a retest of 58.15.50 and then a rejection? You go short, or you just go short?
I'm watching this on my chart. I'm watching this. We got this 200 here. 58.11.
Okay. That's where I
Could
got
break that. Yeah, we could see a 5,800 test, and with this momentum, I would say we'd probably see a 5,800 break.
Yeah, not good data.
No, not good at all. Not good at all.
Your puts are rising. What's CBD at?
10,000.
Okay.
Yep. I think this is a fake out. I'm going to take a short here if it gets to VWAP. I'm going to take a short here.
58. What was that? VWAP 58.18.25. All right.
Yeah, there's nothing. I mean, only thing that is strong is CBD, and that's CBD from overnight too. So that could be misleading. Let's reset it and see what it does. How about that? Let's get fresh CBD numbers. If it breaks this 200 here, though, that could be a move.
Yeah, that orb low testing now. 58.15.50.
It's holding up.
It is. It is. Next stop would be VWAP 58.18.25.
Reset VWAP. I mean, CBD went to 400 now.
So we closed right at orb low. Now we're going to push up and see if we can test that VWAP and reject. If it does, then get short. If it breaks above it, you may look at a long.
Rejection.
Did not like it, did it?
No, not so far, it didn't.
Trying again.
Oh.
Puts with a slight curl up on the little dip it had. That means, of course, we now break test above VWAP, but hadn't closed above it.
See what it does with the 8 here. CBD 700. Yeah, maybe it was reading right.
Oh. Did not like the 8.
Well, going back for it again. Volume's a little trending up a little bit on Tide here.
Testing the 8 now. Is it above? It is above VWAP. And looking strong.
Yep.
Nice candle. No doubt about that one.
Yep.
Nice wick off of the 10-minute. Huge push up. The 5-minute. Minute 45 left in the candle. You will have a candle alongside if it stays up here. And you will be above the 8. It can stay above 58.21.
It's right on the anchored VWAP now.
Below or testing? Like, sorry, what is anchored VWAP?
It's at let's look. It is at 2075. So right on it right now.
Did not like the 8. Did not like that the 50.
So this cluster here, you got the 21, 14, the 8, the 50. But it's not rejecting hard either. So
no, it's not. It's hanging out. You see a VWAP retest at 18.25.
Morning, Roy Easy.
Good morning.
Took me out there.
Yeah, it got me on that one. Looks like he wants to boogie.
It does. CBD is now at 1900. Now we wait. Puts are coming down pretty decent, but calls are not really doing anything. Volume is kind of trending up.
Yeah. General market tide, you got, look at this spaghetti mess.
Wow. Okay. Can't make his mind up, can it?
No. Pushing up the top of the Bollinger Band. Orb high is 58.2975. You got this 50 at 58.2275. What's anchored VWAP? Probably still around the same.
Let's look and see. It is at 2035. Ugly candle.
Ugly candle, yeah. Coming back to test VWAP. Looks like it.
Man, who knows right now?
Plenty of time, though, still left of this candle.
Yep. Trump officials testify in Senate hearing. Okay. Uh-oh, Call's getting some momentum here now.
We'll tick up here. Point of controls 2175. Look at these wicks down here. That was a nice tell.
Put starting to pop back up. Looked better when I said it.
Nvidia kind of bear flagging. Apple pushing up. Microsoft barcoding. Google pushing up. Amazon had a big red candle. Did not like that 205. Meta barcoding. Tesla looks like could potentially bear flag. Right above this.
Tempted to go long, dude. Tempted to go long.
Yeah, me too. I'm tempted to go long here and then add another if it goes to VWAP. Guess you know, why not double down when you're wrong? Puts are dropping on the general market tide and on SPY. You got calls. I mean, ideally, you want to see this call premium. It's got a long way to go to that zero line, but if it can get there, if it can get some momentum up there, again, got another kind of rejection up here. The 5-minute candle ended pretty nasty, but it's holding this point of control so far, 2175. I'm guessing that's where anchored VWAP is. Amazon back over 205. Apple continually pushing higher. Nvidia pushing higher. Microsoft pushing higher. Google pushing higher. What's old gold doing? Gold hanging out, kind of pushing higher. IWM hanging out.
Shoot. Excuse me, guys. I'm voice is horrible today. Lord have mercy. Thought today's gonna be a better day on voice.
Gotta get your voice ready for that basketball game. When do you guys play?
We play Friday.
Nice.
Play Michigan State. Did you see Izzo's when they interviewed Izzo on the court after the game? Michigan State won.
Yeah.
I thought that's pretty funny.
Yeah. I didn't know they won, but Chris Beard's a heck of a coach.
Couldn't you just give it off the court and give me time to celebrate for a minute?
Right. I saw Purdue is playing, I think they're playing Houston. That's right.
Right.
Houston, or that game is in Indianapolis. So it's basically a home game for Purdue.
Oh, yeah. CBD is 2,300 now, by the way.
Ooh. Get that green. Push that volume green, please. General Market Tide has volume now breaking up above its little previous highs. Kind of ticking down a little bit, but definitely in the favor of the positive volume. Can't quite break this Bollinger Band for whatever reason, but we are keep wicking up at it. And that orb high, 58.2975. What's your anchored VWAP at?
It is now at 2070.
Okay.
Just can't get a push either way right now, can it?
Mm-mm.
Which could mean a chop day.
Well, the wicks above aren't very great. The wicks below doesn't really show you much of fear. So consensus would say you're above VWAP, you're above the EMAs, your tide is slowly creeping up. This volume kind of stagnating up here, but it has dug into most of it. So your lean here is long, technically. But we are one tweet or one second away from all of that changing. So just
CBD is plus 21.
okay. So it came back a little bit.
We shall see what happens here. Obviously, no more hands anyway for me.
Yeah. Retest the 8 here and liked it.
So far. Hey, well, give me just a couple minutes, please, sir.
Gotcha.
I'll be right back.
So just getting this kind of battle. I mean, these are 5-minute candles we're watching now. If you look at the 10-minute chart, I mean, those are bullish look. So, but it's got to break above this Bollinger Band. Obviously, got to break out of this zone to really get groovy, but looks like it wants to. There's definitely momentum. If you look at the volume here, this candle right here gave you a lot of volume. That was the data candle, but previous candle, not terrible volume. This one still got a lot of time on it. 8 minutes left on the candle, but so far so good. We got call premium dropping on general market tide, kind of flattening out on SPY tide, but you are getting a push higher here. So now we've broken above this previous. So I wonder if we come back, retest Bollinger Band at 58.25.75, and then hold, bounce up to maybe the top of this zone. But it's trying. Orb high is that 58.29.75. It shows up on my 5-minute chart right there, green line. So you hold point of control here. You held above VWAP. You've pushed through the EMAs. Now you're hoping to just keep bending everything. You know, if you're looking for bullish signals, right, you had a low here, higher low, higher low. So you are in a bit of a uptrend. Clear all that. Looking at NVIDIA. Yeah, just got to break above VWAP. It's VWAP's basically 120, so you want to see it can break above there. Amazon retested its VWAP, bounced off of it so far. We'll see what it can do to hold that. Apple continues to climb. Microsoft continues to climb. Tesla's climbing, testing VWAP right now. Meta, red candle, could be on its way down. Test it. Go back to ES. Couldn't quite get to the orb high, but still got time. Just ticking away. Yeah, so 58.50. So we kind of expand up. Also aligns with the 50-day moving average. So that's what you want to get to. If you're on ES, if you're on SPY, your 50-day, was it below us? We already crossed it. There's your 50-day. No, it's an orb. Let's go to the daily chart. Give it to me. Oh, what a bullish chart. Look at that thing. There's your 50-day. So we're well above it on SPY. Obviously, we're looking at the 200. It gapped above it, which is this green, or sorry, yellow. Thin yellow. Yellow coming down is the 20. And 58.28 ES. Pushing to the top of this candle. Good looking candle there on the 5-minute. So we keep pushing higher, hoping for that orb high break.
You look at Tide lately?
I'm switching over to Tide. Look at those call premiums. Just coming back.
CBD 2900.
It's like when Ole Miss was down by 8 here. And we're coming, pushing higher, pushing up. Got puts dropping on general market. So looking for nice strong push.
CBD's 31.
Oh yeah, those call premiums. I only have one. I would love a little drop so I don't have to chase, like 58, 25, 50. Taking another one. Oh, got me on that one. And you got the EMA clusters at, what is that? Golly, they're all on top of each other right there.
Yeah.
$58, $23, $75. A little uptick in puts on general market tide, but nothing really showing on buy tide. A little downtick in calls, but I grabbed me a couple MES on that. And that worked out well.
Just pop it to the high. Pop it to the pre-market high.
This is like where your things are going good. India and China hold border talks in Beijing.
Ooh.
Mm,
I just hit 350 and take profit trader.
lovely. Nice job.
I actually forgot I was holding it, and I looked over and I was like, ah, there you go.
That's a pro account. Here's your orb high test. Broke it. Or testing it again. Break above, break above. Call premiums getting their groove.
Yeah.
But premiums are dropping. What's CVD showing?
4,000.
Nice. That was after the reset too. My gracious.
Yeah.
Amazon 205, Meta 628, 629, Tesla 277, Nvidia testing 120, Apple pushing higher.
Hold it through, break it on up.
Coming back, retesting orb high. Looks like it's going towards pre-market high day, which is also the high of the zone.
Yep.
I like your Moxie. Is that 10?
Yeah, I'm in 10. Yeah. We'll cut
10,
half. Get high.
got half at the high. I like it.
Gets there.
Nvidia with a candle by candle to the long side right at VWAP. So we can get some momentum in the chips. That should carry us a bit because everything else is looking strong. Amazon's looking strong. Meta's looking strong. Tesla's on a comeback, as Tesla does.
4,300 CVD.
Market tide, you've got call, premium, and general market going straight up now. Volume's following it. Little uptick in premium, put premium, but you can see the downtrend. SPY, you've got basically puts going flat, calls going straight up. You got volume, slight downtick in volume, but it is green, positive. It is testing orb high again. So we'll see how it reacts.
CVD coming back a little. Come on, break it out. Got 320 orders sitting at 50 now. Is this a rest candle or is this a reversal candle? What do we got going on here?
Bottom lick of it so far would suggest that it's a rest candle. Looking at VIX. Ugly candle on the VIX, but it does have a green momentum on this candle. Orb high did hold up, so we got a minute left on the candle. Market tide, so puts got close to the zero line, got a little bounce up. A little downtick here, volume went red, so
I don't like that.
No, I don't like that either. So, I mean, the candles do show it did lose some momentum, so that makes sense. 10-minute chart wise, I mean, that 10-minute candle has that wick. As long as it can hold that wick, it's not a bad candle. And the 5-minute held the wick. A very nice candle, bouncing off here, breaking above orb high. Yeah, so it needs to obviously push above now, 58.31.75. It can. We'll probably get a breakout finally above the zone.
That's what I'm looking for.
Mag 7 just lit on fire. Meta 630, Amazon 205, Apple coming down. The heck? Pretty
I need
odd.
NVIDIA to play.
Yeah, NVIDIA needs to play ball. Microsoft came down below VWAP. Tesla pushing up. Netflix pushing up.
Man, just can't get above that little level there. I did move my stop up there to that previous candle, so we're guaranteed $68. But I would like it to pop up here and take these 5 out. Take 5 of them out, and I feel a lot better. Let's make it bigger.
Wow, look at that 10-minute candle though.
Yeah.
You know why Apple cooled off?
No.
Let's go find out. These analysts are funny to me.
What
How
is?
they have some analysts, how they have so much power.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, come on, 2 ticks to get half of. There it is. Half of it's gone.
There it is. Hey, had the wrong chart up. Do you have to go to heaven to bring your take profits down, like I do when you trade at MES?
Do what?
I said you have to go to heaven to take your take profits down when you do MES. So like scroll.
I adjusted my settings so they're not too far away.
All right. I still got it $300 per MES, and I just buy one at a time, so it's like way.
Oh yeah, I don't do one.
Yeah.
You'll never catch me doing one.
Beautiful. Break it. Puts dropping on general market tide, approaching the 0 line, and then a little curl up. Spot tide just kind of hanging out. Volume keeps rising. Volume keeps rising. That's all that matters if you're in long. VIX struggling to break above the 1750, so keep an eye on that. 58.32. Amazon, yes, 205.50. Meta, 632. Tesla, battling 280. That's where we want to go. 58.49.
CBD back over 4,000.
I think that 10-minute chart is the play, right? I mean, wow.
Yeah. If we can break the high there, we should run decent. But there it is. Now let's hope we run with it. Call premium just shot straight up. Right before that, you see that tick down on my SPY?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's when I said it shot up. That's where it went to that next level there.
Yeah. This is important.
Yeah.
Break out. 34.75.
You got a cluster of orders at 40 now,
Mm.
around 40. Oh, and it is closed up here. Don't just test it and drop below it. All right, done. Take private trader 450 up one day.
How far are you from payout status?
I'm there.
Beautiful.
I'm gonna build it some this time though.
Yeah.
Man, this candle seems like it's taking forever.
Yeah, 6-minute candle, 5-minute candles, only got a minute left. That's pretty textbook here, isn't it? Orb high, break, retest, reclaim, test it again, push.
Yep.
You got good momentum still building, so if it wants to keep going, it's got plenty of room.
What's going on? Yep. $40 is my next target here. I'm just following this candle by candle up, so it might take me out here in a second, but it's all good. Be right at flat if it did, and probably a great spot for reentry if it bounced.
Yeah, if it bounce holds that zone. 34.
Ugh. $4,700 CBD.
So, did it take you out?
Not yet.
No, not yet.
We can do. If it doesn't touch down there and it bounces back up, that is super bullish, though.
Oops. Yeah. Call premium took a dip. Don't like that.
I don't either.
Ooh, what a candle.
I know. I was going to say it.
You know, there may be a lot of dead air, but there is a lot of cool data happening right now.
Yeah, if I could talk, it wouldn't be much dead air, but I can't really
Yeah.
talk.
I don't blame you. But I mean, the chart is speaking for us. So need these to curl back up. So it was on my to-do list this weekend to study that periscope. I didn't get to it. I'm gonna make time for it soon. Sadie is swearing by it, so I trust him. So I'd like to learn it.
He's one of the few I do trust.
Yeah, he's great. 120 on NVIDIA, 120.26 actually, so it pushed higher. Tesla 278 did get a little bit of rejection at 280. Meta 632. Wow. Did get a little rejection up there. Same with Amazon, got a 206 and then got rejected. Google back above 170, pushing higher. Apple looks like it's about to reclaim that big red candle. VIX just kind of stuck, which is okay. Looks like it wants to go down. TNX, we haven't talked about that in a while. Dixie, haven't talked about that in a while. Down. Kind of a mixed bag. Not a lot of, I mean, Mag 7 is definitely leading the way today.
All right.
So,
well, this candle might give me this time.
Yeah, end of the candle not looking great. 15 seconds. Let's flip over. Tide. We got put premium rising on general market tide, call premium dropping. It continues to drop on SPY tide. So, how's CVD?
4,200 now. We got like $7-8 down now. There we go. $8 down one day.
Okay. No problem. No problem. Don't like the formation of this candle to start. It needs to push higher. You could have an 8 test coming.
That's kind of what I would like to see if I wanted to re-enter.
So now we're retesting the top of the zone. It's a brand new 10-minute candle with that last candle going red, which potentially sets up a candle by candle with a long side on the 10-minute at the top of the zone.
Also reversal candle there too, though.
Yeah. 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 I mean, tide is not suggesting that a move is up is still in the cards. It's suggesting a little cool off. So you need one of these to turn up. Volume's still green.
Volume's still going up too, though.
Yeah. That was a pretty sharp drop on that.
You son of a bitch.
Then it pushed it up higher.
Big drop. Put premiums.
Yep. Put premium drop in. Break below the zero line. That'd be great. We'll see a little spike in volume here. A little spike in volume on general market tide as well. Pushing a new high a day. All eyes are on this old 58.49, 58.50 area.
I'm really annoyed now. CBD 5,300.
Wow.
Yeah. Now we gotta wait and see if it comes back and retest the zone.
Still 7 minutes left on the candle. 2 minutes left on the 5 minute. We are seeing an uptick in premium now. Call put premium dropping. Call volume rising on SPY.
Let's see.
Looks like it wants to come back. Test the top of the zone. Nvidia now battling 120 again. And there's your test at the top of the zone. Don't like that wick though.
Nope.
Don't like that wick. Call premiums still trending down. If they can reclaim the zone above it, so now we got to close above the zone. It's an interesting nugget. Oh no, we had one. I apologize.
Yeah.
I feel like I've done a lot of work to only be up $32 on the day.
I get that.
Well, it's across 3 accounts. I mean, I'm up 100. I'll pat myself on the back on that. I added something to my desk today. I'll share with everybody since you're not in an active trade. My boy left me a note. I don't know if you can read it.
No.
Can you read it? No. It says, "I love you, Dad."
Oh,
So I just put, a little sweet note. Push that. I've lived the meme where, the son comes in the door. Are you winning, Dad?
yeah.
It's fun. But always important to remember why you're trading. You're not trading for entertainment.
Absolutely.
It is fun, but there's a reason why we do this. Hold above the zone. I like this candle. Don't like
I
the
went
wick
back
prior.
to the zones. We'll see.
Went back long. Don't like that.
You don't like that?
Sorry, I don't like the call premium. I like your long play. I just don't like that call premium. I do like the long play because it did hold this 8 ribbon pretty good. Look at that volume in the last candle. Did you see that?
Yep. Well, look back. don't like call premiums are dropping like a rock, man.
Yeah. We had that pre-market high. So now, I mean,
big drop in volume too.
do drop about 58.25 and then up you go. That's a nasty candle. So that's definitely a reversal candle there, and you're getting follow through on this candle. That is not good. That volume is drying up fast on the general market.
But anything else happened here, I would have added on the 8th there, but I just couldn't do it.
It's tough to do when you're looking at that.
Yeah.
What's CVD?
It's 46. It came all the way down to 40, down to 4.
Mm.
It's bounced back up 600 right here.
Turning into a nice candle. Yeah. A little uptick there in calls.
Just haven't been able to get this clean breakout up here.
Well, it was interesting. It got down to the 8 and also near the orb high and found some support. So, is this a reversal of the reversal?
Maybe so. I need something to catch up to help out, though.
Why is Netflix up so?
Oh, this is miserable not being able to talk.
My bet. Why do I not have Netflix on my watch list? Oh, there it is. Netflix, Spotify. Subscription-based models. Jim Cramer was bullish on Netflix this morning.
Do what?
Jim Cramer was bullish on Netflix this morning.
Wow. Oh, right. I think I'm finna call it on my side. I can't. My voice is getting worse.
Yeah, man. Go get you some like throat lozenges, lemon something.
I've got some in there.
I enjoy a good Hall's original sometimes. Just
actually, I've got some. I gotta find them. I've got some here.
So don't mind Ricola, but the Hall's original. Maybe it's just because I was raised on it. It's like
that's it. Yeah,
it just gets me every time. All right, man. Yeah, we'll call it. We don't need you to strain your voice. We still got 2 more days to stream. So
yeah. We'll be back.
We are.
We'll get it back going. Voice be ready. This is Raspy. Just so you know, it hurts as bad as it sounds when I try to talk. So all
man.
good.
All right, guys. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Appreciate you gutting it out, Monty.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, guys. We'll catch you in the morning.
All right.